Hello guys. So today we are going on, okay? We're starting on lesson 4, new content, page 48. Well, the words are portable, flexible, brutal, format, postal, momentary, dietary, Vietnam, Vietnamese, Iraq, Iraqi, Pakistan, Pakistani, Peru, Peruvian, poetic, fragile, futile, childish, passive, hopeless, childlike, and cautious. Okay? Our main points today are going to be the suffixes. Okay, some of them you already know. Okay, we are just going a little deeper on this subject. So, portable is anything you can carry with you, portable. Flexible is just like Portuguese. Brutal, just like Portuguese. It's an adjective. Format, formal. I think I read format at the beginning, okay? It's formal. The same meaning as Portuguese. Postal, it's anything related to the mail system. Momentary, it comes from the word moment. Dietary, the origin of the word is diet. Vietnam is a country. Vietnamese is the nationality. Iraq is the country. Iraqi is the nationality. Pakistan is the country. Pakistani, the nationality. Peru, the country. Peruvian, nationality. Poetic, and it's an adjective related to the word poet. Poetry, okay? Poetry also comes from the word poet, okay? Fragile, very similar to Portuguese, something that's easily breakable. Futile, shallow, synonym. Childish is anything that sounds or looks like a behavior, okay? When we are behaving like children, we can say that that behavior is childish, okay? Passive, just like Portuguese. Hopeless, without hope. Childlike is something that looks like a child, but it's not something bad, okay? While childish is normally a bad adjective. For example, when people are discussing or arguing, we can say, no, you were being childish, okay? But if a person is imitating a child, we say that is childlike, looks like children, okay? But it's not a bad adjective. And cautious comes from the word caution, okay? It's an adjective too. Okay, we have a new grammar point here, and as I said before, it's about suffixes. Let's read together. A suffix is a letter or group of letters added at the end of a word, which makes a new word. Sometimes we can transform a noun into an adjective into a noun, or a verb into an adjective. There are many, many options, okay? We're going to have a table on the next page, on page 49. So we have some examples here. Forget. To forget is a verb, right? So, forgetful is somebody that is always forgetting things, okay? Joy, joyful. Hope, hopeless. As I said, less, the suffix less means without. So, hopeless, with no hope. Homeless, with no home, and so on. The new word is most often a different word class from the original word, like I already said before. The verb forget becomes an adjective with the suffix ful, forgetful. The noun child becomes an adjective with the suffix ish, childish. The adjective joyful becomes an adverb when we add ly, joyfully. So, the spelling of the suffixes. Often the suffix causes a spelling change to the original word. For example, with the word China, you need to take off the last letter, A, before you add the suffix is to make the adjective Chinese, which is the nationality and the language. A good dictionary will give you information on the correct spelling of words and of the suffixes. Okay? So, on page 49, like I told you, there's a table with many examples of suffixes, the meaning of each suffix, and examples of it. Okay? And all the words here you have seen before. So, now we are going to, let's repeat. Pedro is here to help me. Okay? So, I will, on the let's repeat part, he's not going to talk. I will give you some time to repeat the sentence after me. Okay? Then, on the let's practice part, Pedro will answer the questions. If you want, you can pause the video, okay, and answer the question yourself. So, the portable telephone was invented by the company Motorola in 1973. Some points in Iraqi history is thought of as brutal. She was a fragile little girl with many dietary problems. The man's poetic language was a beautiful surprise as he was always so childish. It was important to be ladylike, her children said, and not childlike when meeting strangers. The formal postal system is becoming less and less popular nowadays. The Peruvian cuisine was much more popular than the Vietnamese one, so she decided to include more items on the menu. The adjective form of the verb to forget is forgetful. So, let's go to the let's practice part. So, Pedro, what do you think you are hopeless at?
I think I am hopeless at football.
Very good. So, you are bad at football.
Yes.
Is that what it means? Where do you think is the closest Canadian embassy?
Here, embassy means?
Embassy is the representation of a country in another country.
Okay. So the closest Canadian embassy is
São Paulo or Rio
I
or
think
maybe?
São Paulo.
Maybe Brasilia. Okay? So, what are the dietary restrictions of a person who is allergic to lactose?
The dietary restrictions of a person who is allergic to lactose are
Products made from milk.
yes,
Okay. Like
like cheese.
yogurt.
Yes.
Very good. These type of products, people, are called dairy. All products that come from milk are called dairy. Okay? Is it easy to think of some poetic language to say in a romantic situation?
No, it isn't easy to think of some poetic language to say in a romantic situation.
What did Peter say to Anna?
Peter said to Anna that she shouldn't get too excited, that her fame was only momentary and soon not one would know who she was.
Should we be active or passive in the event that our friend is in danger?
We should be active in the event that our friend is in danger.
Are you cautious before crossing the road?
Yes, I am cautious before crossing the road.
Are Vietnamese and Peruvian people from the same continent?
No, Vietnamese and Peruvian people are not from the same continent, but Vietnamese people are from Asia and Peruvian people are from South America.
Would your teacher be flexible about your homework if only today you were being a forgetful person?
Yes, my teacher would be flexible about my homework if only today I was being a forgetful person.
Have Iraqi and Pakistani people been at war against each other in the past?
Yes, Iraqi and Pakistani people are being at war against each other in the past.
Have been.
Have been.
What did Emily think about the book her brother gave her for Christmas?
Emily thought that the book was beautiful, but the story was childish.
What was the weather like yesterday?
Yesterday it was a sunny day.
Is it common for you to send formal letters by the postal system?
No, it isn't common for me to send formal letters by the postal system.
What important dietary changes must a person who wants to lose weight make?
Important dietary changes a person who wants to lose weight must make are eat healthy food or eat less.
Fresh vegetables.
Yes.
Yeah. Are portable phones more fragile than traditional ones?
Yes, portable phones are more fragile than traditional ones.
Okay, by the way, people, the both accents, fragile, are correct for this word, okay? Was her fear of the dog momentary?
Yes, her fear of the dog was momentary. As she realized he was very friendly.
Should students be cautious about choosing the first option they think of when they answer multiple choice questions?
Yes, students should be cautious about choosing the first option they think of when they answer multiple choice questions.
Very good. Guys, this is it for today. This is the new content of today, okay? We'll see you soon. And don't forget, we're not on vacation. Please study. Bye-bye.